Uh, Hi, so this is part 6 of me building the Zerodha Excel add-in. In the last fast 5 streams, we have been able to build an Excel add-in, and which primarily does is real-time update the prices, volumes, and basic other metrics. This time we will be testing order placement to an Excel file, and we might integrate a little bit of trading view widgets we might show in our add-in, and a lot of testing we might do. I also think of using alerts. I'm not sure I will use alerts, but let's see. So we'll start with order placement today and see how it works out. So I'll share my screen. uh, Okay, so let me just change the resolution in here. Okay, so okay, and yeah, so basically this is the add-in, and let me go to the Excel blank workbook. Let me increase the zoom, and let's go to zero the add-in. Okay, so last in the last streams we added this portfolio, funds, margins, then order placement, something that we're gonna do today. We did the coding of orders yesterday, but since the market was closed yesterday, we couldn't test it. This time we will test it. And let's see. Okay. And someone who is new here, just to give an perspective. So basically, if I do Reliance and if I do NSC and if I do subscribe, so this will give me the LTP of the stock from the WebSocket. So if I go here, this has started to come in. Let me see. Okay, so this is, yeah, this subscribe thing happened, and now you can see the real-time prices of the Reliance here. So similarly, you can do for any stock. Now, do the orders part. Let's go to orders. And what happens is we insert this table. So this is the mandatory information that we need in the orders table to make or to execute an order. So what you can do is you can start with something small. Let me go to, okay, 1 second. Yeah, so let me close these things. These are not required. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will take few stocks, and so let's choose SJVN on BSC, and so the variety is, sorry, so the variety is what is the variety? Yeah, so basically you can hover on a knot and it will give you the kind of value it expects. So the variety is regular, trading symbol is SGVN, exchange is BSC, this is BSC, transaction type is you buy, and order type is something market. Let's do the market order. Then the quantity is 1, product is I think CNC from cash, and validity is day. So we're putting a market order for SGVM from this file, and we just click on process orders. Let's do validate. So it will validate this order and tells you it's whether it's valid or not, and we can just do confirm and place. Okay, so it says order placed successfully, order ID was this, and this is complete. And if I do a cancel here, it goes to orders, and you see SJV and BSC, this is entirely done. So this is good, and let's see if we can do multiple market orders. Then we can try multiple kind of permutation combinations for this. Okay, before I do that, I can ask, if I go to add-in, yeah, Zerodha add-in. So this is our order schema. What I can do is, let's just keep this and create a, okay, just read test scenario dot md, create test scenario md with the, okay, 1 minute. I think I just put myself a little on the left hand side. I think yes, this will be better so that everyone can view it. Let me change this, and I can reduce myself a bit. Okay. Uh, this is fine. Okay, cool. So now what I can do is I can just create test scenario.nd with the order schema of Zerodha order placement using schema, so we can test different order types and ensure everything is working fine. So it will create these scenarios for us. I think this will be important to test these scenarios. Otherwise, we will test first a few uh, different. So let's SGVN from BSC. Let's just sell this. Let's say it's a market order. Let's go to Zerodha. Let's say it's gold bees. Let me just copy this entire thing. Let's do NSE, be on a byte, and let's find quantity. Let's, my god, okay. Uh, let's do idea also. So let's do this PNC regular. Similarly, we can try ATF or HTFC. Let's do Suzlon. Okay, so supposedly now I want to execute this. Let me go to home. I would say process order. It will show me which are sell, sell, sell. Okay, not these are not sell. These are actually buy. So these are, so let's do cancel. Let's do process. Okay, no order is selected. Good. If I just select these two, says process orders. So it says buy, buy, and it's NSC, BSC. Okay. So if I just do select the symbols, and if I do process orders, it will show me, okay, this is what you wanna do, and let's just validate. So everything is validated, and confirm and place. Okay, so this is success. That means order is placed. One in Suzlon is completed. Let's go here. Okay, this is complete. Okay, but this didn't change. So we have a problem little bit on the status part. Let's go to orders. You can see we got this Suzlon. Yes, this is on this. Okay. I think the reason is because we are changing the status in the Excel file so fast, it might have missed the status update of other cells. This is my guess why this is happening. Let's suppose if I do sell here, and let me just select this and just do process orders, validate and confirm. Okay, now it works fine. Complete. I don't know why this that. I think I will put some guardrails or some kind of checks here. Okay, now go back to here. So this kind of, okay, let's say open preview. Yeah. Refers to base in simple limit price. How to use baseline regular should pass. Okay. CNC day in fee. Okay. So check in fee. In fee is 1685. My God, I don't even have that much money. But I think this is a market. This is a valid one. Let's do a limit order of TCS, but TCS is very costly. Okay, let's do RCF. It is 137.92. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is let me shift this a little bit here and this here, and let me do this, and okay, so we're gonna do let's change this. So we're doing RCF, and it is NSC, regular NSC. We're gonna buy it. We're gonna do a limit order for this. Quantity 1, CNC day and price is okay. Let's put 138.5. We're gonna no, but this is higher. So we're gonna buy it for 137.5. Yeah, so let's do 137.5. Okay, and let's do process orders. Okay, let me just shift here, and why is it showing success? I think I need to do this part also, just clearing it out after. Okay, let's do process orders. This is confirm and place. It's showing. Let me reload this, and process orders by NSC, and this. So this is validated, and let's do confirm and place. So order place, this is an open order now. So the status is definitely changing. Let's go to here. So this your price and this is my price. Good. So this is working. This is working fine. Now I need to make sure two things now. This confirm and place should not happen again by any chance. Duplicate thing cannot happen. When we do a process orders click, this should be entirely gone. This means or all your past entries should be removed from here, the same way that we remove this part. Let's do these two things first. Okay, let's go here. Orders, home tab, insert orders table, then process orders. Let's check this. Whenever the process orders is selected, we clear all the past order details from the from the order sheet to ensure we show the fresh value every time. Okay, this is happening. Okay, now this is done. The second thing I need to do is in the order sheet, I need to ensure that after the confirm and place is done, show disabled button of placed, wherein nothing happens. So the only option for the user is to just close the sheet now. So we'll make sure that this order sheet never gets duplicated. No duplicate order is being placed. So if I go back here just to reload now, so this is your last trading price was 137.98. Your price is this. Like supposedly, if I cancel here, it should show cancel here. No, it will not because the order ID has gone here. Okay, I will test this. Okay, second. If I take this just for my testing, and if in any case I cancel this, order, and I do a cancel. Yeah, so this comes at cancel here also. Good. And now this is done. Uh, just reload this. Okay. So let's do one more time. Let's just do buy, process orders, then validate, So validation is done, confirm and place. So this is done. This is again showing as confirm. So, and these are all buy. So this is success, and this is showing as open. Okay, let's see what is happening. Let's reload the dev server. Okay, now it's reloaded. I know this will work fine. So what I can do is you can just do sell and buy this for 130 is okay. What I can do is I can also put a different one. Let's say we want to buy just HCL INSYS. 1 second. This is on BSC HCL IN buy BSC, and we're gonna buy it for 13.5. So supposedly let's be this be there. Let's to select this and let's select these three. So the process orders. Okay. Okay, so it's taking a range. So this is one of the thing. Okay, let's take this only first. Process orders, this is fine, validate, confirm, and place. Okay, but is this showing still a confirm and place? I go to orders here. Yeah, so this is done. The after confirm and place, the button is not changing to place and it stays the same. So this is there. And second, now I will wait for this to complete, and when then we can do this other stop loss branches. Require price plus trigger price. So this is saying SBIN. Let's check SBIN. Let me go to a different one. Let's just do SBIN. State Bank of India 1043. Uh, Make a timestamp based uh, token system wherein by no chance we do a duplication of the confirm and place in the order sheet. We need to ensure that the confirm place is always unique execution by the user. Okay, so this is stop loss limit 595. We're gonna sell this. We don't have this. Okay, let's do this. Changes stop loss should pass. So basically, this is the one wherein we buy, we sell it. No. We sell it when the trigger price goes below or hit this 2500. Okay, let me wait for this. So once this is done, let's go back. This is fine. Let's just build it once more. And let's go back here. And let's go to Zerodha. And I can just do cancel here. And if I do a cancel, it shows cancel here. And let me just reload this again once more. Yeah, so this is reloaded. Now if I go here and just to process orders, it should be a buy, validate, and this is validated to confirm and place. So it will show order placed. So this has changed to place. It will show open, and we see here this is also showing HCF in sys as one other thing. Okay, this looks good. Now this doesn't work again. This is also good. And if I close this and if I do again process orders, yeah, it shows up here again and this thing goes down. Okay, makes sense. This makes sense. Okay, now I will do few more checks. If I go to holdings, what did I just buy? Idea Suzlon holdings. Now it shows, I will say if the Suzlon price Suzlon price, I don't know what this is. Okay, BSC. I want to sell this order type which will be sell order market. Yes, this is the sell order market, quantity 1, CNC day, wherein I don't want to give price here. The trigger price for me is I want to sell this if this goes below 48.8 supposedly. So 48.8, and if I go here and I do process orders, this is regular type SLNM, this is this, validate and confirm and place. Logged in basic, they have been discontinued by the exchange. Okay, so let's do NSC and process orders, validated, confirm. Okay, this is placed, trigger pending. Looks good. And let me go to dashboards, my orders. Yeah, so this is a trigger based, this is trigger pending. Good. And this worked fine. I think this is working fine. So the next one is an IOC, immediate or cancel, should pass. Okay, let's do, I have RCF, right? This RCF. Yeah, I have one RCF. No, or not. This is cancelled. So I have idea. Let's do one thing. Okay, this thing buy. So let's do idea. Let's buy it on NSC. This is buy. Market types one. Product is MIS. CNC in our normal MIS. Validity is end of 1 minute. Immediate or you cancel it. Okay. Market 1 and MICOC. So let's try this. Let's just process orders, and this is idea, validate, confirm. Okay, so this is also place. If we go to Zerodha, okay, this happened. It shows complete. Yeah, order placed complete. This worked fine. Okay. Time to live orders. So valid TTL. Okay, so now I want to sell this, and product is MIS. Validity is TTL because I will provide, and I want to sell this. I bought it for 10.97. I want to sell this for, notice idea at 11. So I want to price this, and this will be for 15 minutes. Yeah, so this will be at 15 minutes. I want to sell this. Place versus orders, sell, validate. Okay, this is an open order. So this, what really happened? I think this got executed or not. Yeah, I think this got executed. So we have this iceberg legs. Let's do this idea NSE by limit. NSE by limit. Quantity is 1 CNC day. So I want to buy this at 10.5 and iceberg legs. I think it requires a little bit of more. It's a 100 quantity, 1000 quantity. So I will say I will do 5 here, and let me just remove TDL. So iceberg legs is fine and 1 quantity each. Yeah. So let's just try this. Okay, this is also got into the Zerodha API. Yeah, so this is an open pending. Um, quantity 105, limit CNC terminal ID place 5 is this. Okay. Auction number. I don't think this auction number variety is auction. Oh, see, this is iceberg. Sorry, this I can cancel. Let's go here. This is cancelled, and variety is iceberg. Let's close this. Process orders. Varieties. I will validate and confirm. Value for equalizer cannot be lower than 1 lakh rupees. Okay, above 192.53. Okay, this is very high. Auction number. Variety is auction. And tag disclosed quantity is 0. I think this is fine. This will work fine. I don't think this has any problem. Okay, this we can do should fail, or we can try this with the batch. This is validity is regular, idea by quantity 5 for price 10.5, disclosed quantity is 0, and tag is batch 01. Let's try this one. Process orders, validate, confirm. Yeah, so this is placed. If I go to Zerodha, yeah, so we can see here. And if I go to the info, yeah, it doesn't show much information about disclosed quantity. It's fine. So this is working fine. I just can do the negative test, regular TCS NAC by limit CNC2 without price should fail. Okay, so let's do this idea by limit. I don't provide any price and quantity is 1. Let me remove this entire thing. And let's try this. Process orders and this validate. Yeah, so missing field price is price. This was good. This is working fine. So trigger price, if I do sales SPN, order type is SL, order type is SL, not SLM. Let me choose this SL CNC day price 590. Okay, it's just to process orders, validate. Yeah, so it needs a trigger price. So yes, this is fine. SLM without trigger price should fail. If I do SLM here, process orders, validate, trigger price is required. TTL. So validity is, let me do this market. Validity is TTL. Product is MIS. Quantity 1. Yeah, this is, let's try this. So yeah, missing required field valid TTL. Iceberg is fine. Now missing auction number should fail. So variety is auction. This is buy CNC 1 day. So CNC market 1 day. Let's try this. Process order validate. Yeah, auction number is required. Yeah, this is fine. There is no scope of doing non-alpha. It should fail. Let's try this. Yeah, so this should be alphanumeric. This is working fine. Yeah, so this is, so our orders is actually pretty much done. So if I just do here, and if I do a limit order with the price of 10, let's try this, and I say process, validate orders and confirm. Yeah, so we got this. Let's go to Zerodha. Yeah, we can see this order here. And in case we cancel this order from here, you see cancelled here. Good. So we have completed the order placement part. This thing I can remove. So order placement is done. Next I can think of integrating TradingView widgets, maybe, just to make this entire thing a little more UI friendly and to give more information to users. Otherwise I can try this again. If I just say bye, let's do one more test here. Let's do this, process orders buy, validate, validation is done, confirm this. Yeah, so this is already done. This idea thing is open, and if I go here, yeah, so gold is SUN done, and this is pending, and cancel an order. So this is cancelled. Good. Okay, this looks promising. Trading view widgets React. Let's just do this. Sorry, I had to message someone. Okay, so this is, I think this is done. I think our orders is done. Uh, Next, I am thinking of showing this uh, trading view widgets here to make it a little more engaging. Okay, for this search also, I'm thinking of shifting from here to show the search icon here. And I will change search to alerts here. Like that could be done. Okay, let's do some changes in the home tab. I want to refresh this. Here is the okay. So where is this header? Funds and margin. Let's do one more here. Let's say search 16. No, I said 24. 24 regular. Animated spin is not required. Mhm. Okay, so I reload this. Okay. Okay, let's reload. Yeah. So on this, I want to show the order sheet open. So sheet open. And then I can change this. So this is search sheet. You can remove this entire thing. Button I can keep. Is processing, and this I can completely remove this. And 1 minute, let me just remove. Okay, let me just remove this. And let me remove all this entire thing. Complete orders is not required. Sheet header and sheet content. I can keep this and I can keep this. And let's change this to search sheet. Reset token is closed, order is not required. And let's go to the home tab. Okay, now let's go to search tab. What I can do is, okay, let's do one thing. This is input. I can show the search sheet. Header is not required. The search tab I can show directly here. So let's go to the Excel add-in, reload. Okay, this is not working. Why? It's not working. Okay, I think I know why it's not working. Let's go to home tab. It is button. Search. Not. And this can be. Yeah, so now it will work fine. We just reload this Excel button. And if I click out here, it says instrument, it's a Nifty, and it will show me the Nifty entire thing. So this is done, and now I can change the search. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I can change the search. Where is search tab? Search to alerts. So it will be, I would say, notification, or I can say bell. Tab bell. 1 minute. Let's just cancel these. Okay, now it's a bell. No beach, no beaker, no battery. They don't have bells. Yeah, they don't have bell. Okay. They have alert, by the way. So let's choose alert. Alert 24 filled. This is we can use. Where is this tab trigger? Okay. Okay. So this is looking fine. I need to create a separate this thing. Mm, const. I think it's better. I just use this. I will do the alert part later on. Okay, so this is done. Let me restart the server. Okay, this is empty. This is fine. I can remove this thing also. Give information and instruction on how to use the orders table with the table and its processing. So this is done. Now I need to add widgets. Now let's go to TradingView widgets. I don't think this is the widgets connection. Charts, alternate, tickers, screeners, symbol details, news and economics. Let's see, widgets. Watch list. Let's do market summary. Show this down. This is active gainers, losers, market movers, stocks. This will be India, BSC, flow, horizontal size, normal. Let's just apply this. So this is how it will come in our add-in. synchronous or market overview, stock market, or it could be something like this. Okay. So what I can do is market data. Okay, let's use this. We have done mostly everything. This is huge information. Okay, so now what is remaining? Subscriptions are remaining. Orders is there. Subscribes and alerts and logs. This and search has gone here. Yeah, so this looks better, much better. Okay. Let's go here. Advanced real-time chart widget. Sorry for this. Okay, so I think I'll use and show this market overview. I think this is the one. Market overview, and this is future bonds and forex. No, not this. Let's see. Future bonds and forex. Okay, you have to select this. I don't want to select this. It says stock market. Active gainers and losers. This makes sense. And let's do India BSC default date range line 10 theme. Yeah, so I think this looks fine. Okay, 1 second, let's apply this. Okay, let me add this stock market widget. Yeah, this is stock market widget. Let's go here and let's go to home tab in the confirmation. This is fine, this is fine. The segment. This is funds and margin header. Card header, card content. Okay, let's just change this to market summary. It's snap snapshot from TradingView. I don't want to show any buttons here. You can change this, get positions, card header, card content. Now we can remove this. Let's see how this one looks. Yes, a market summary snapshot from TradingView. Let's see, how do we use this? Stock market aligned with exchange link. It should be BSC. Let's try this once. So this is reload. Yeah, now this is working fine. So I want to make this flow auto size color theme local large audio is transparent. Okay, order size is true, and then I have let's just show symbol logo. Let's do answer transparent. Let's reload this. Yep, now see auto size is true. I don't know why the stock information went away. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can say height. Let's see if we give height of 700 to this. Nothing is happening. I don't want to show charts. What show chart? I can't see a larger dural. Let's say I don't want to show chart. False. Let's do it like this. Okay, yes. Reload. it's not that looking good. Hmm. I think I will come back to this later. This market somebody think I don't know how much use this has. So even if we go to Zerodha, I don't know they provide this position split funds dashboard. Get overview Nifty positions. The position they show positions like this. They show holdings like this. So orders, let's get SIV and alerts. I'm not doing GTT, no, setting this. Yeah, so this they show PNL, they show net change and day change here. Okay, I will remove this for now. Let's see if we want to show this later because I didn't like it much. Okay, this is fine. Subscribe is fine. Basically, the subscribe. What is subscribe? Subscribe is basically this thing. Okay, let's see. Orders is fine. I think to save space, I can shift orders to here also. That would be a little better idea, I guess. Because anyhow, it's gonna show me orders only. Then I can do alerts here. Then I have logs and everything. Yeah, so I can shift orders to here, or I can shift this entire thing to there. I think this is better here. The reason being it shows funds and margins, so you know where you stand. Okay. Now I need to do a few things. By the way, there is one more API which is the India stock market API. I think not this one. So they have this one. I don't know how good this is. So detailed financial data from BSC and Extreme Power using the compensant. I don't know. This is looks promising, but I have not used it. I'm not sure how good is this contact provider. So this is contact Indian API dot API have publisher. I don't know who has published this. I need to check on this. It looks promising, by the way. So you can think of using this tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow because this has news, it also has stock details. It has also trending stocks. IPO data, mutual funds, Most active NSE, most average historical data, industry search, stock forecast, historical stats, target price, recent announcements. See, this has a lot of data, but I'm not sure how good this is. Let's try to log in this. Let's do trending stocks. Nothing happened. Bad request. Yeah, put in this also. I don't think this is even working. Secret token. Hmm. I don't know this. You have to put your own EPA or something. Pricing $7.99 per month. That makes us to 30 plus private endpoints. Just subscribe this. Okay, I will hide this thing because I don't want this to be. Tweet. Okay. Let's do the payment. Okay, I've done the payment. Okay, so now it shows me this is done. Payment successful. Order ID. Move this entire subscription that I have. So okay, top gainers is Infosys. Which one is this exchange? NV NSI. Let's do NSE top gainers. Let's see how good this is. Yeah, I think this is Infosys. INFI. Bullish, bullish. Yeah, this is INFI. This price is 1690.4. Ah, 1690. It's almost same. This looks good then. Mhm. Let's go to stock details. This is Tata Steel. It has officers info and it has a lot of data. I don't know if we should integrate this or not. I think this is very good for fundamental analysis. I think I should add it. I am not sure about this. I need to read this then. Statement endpoint. Stock name and stats. Stock name. What is stock name? How do I example? Stock name. What is a stock name? INFI. Stats. Revenue. Select either of these statements. Cash flow. Balance sheet. Okay. Yeah, this one is INFI. Sales expense. Looks good. If I just shoot PL. Cash flow, result, quarterly results, balance sheet. Okay, let's say if I want to go back, there should be a documentation, right, on this. Documentation, how to use stock market data. No statement. I think name reliance. How will I get to know? Okay. I think this will be same for all. Industry search, mutual fund search, trending stocks, high, low, most active, mutual funds, price shockers, commodities, analyst recommendations. God. Samples, stock forecasts. Let's see for forecasts. EPS doesn't show values. Annual interim actual 1 year ago. And there's a lot of things. Stock ID, let's do Reliance. None type object is not scriptable. What does even this means? Yeah, so this is fine. Or this is something I wrote just now. It's a Tata. If I do this, it is stock forecast. The unique identifier for the stock. TCS they are saying you can use. Let's see TCS. EPS and this and 30 days ago. Let's say 30 days ago. Let's do forecast. Okay, this is not working. I think this is the only thing I see. I think it's not working. Let's choose CPS, EBT. Yeah, I think this is something. I think it's not working. Where is this? Okay. Historical data. Let's see historical data. A second. How much historical data you want? PEMCS and this. Let's try this. Stock name is TCS. Period of 1 month. Filter by price of this. Okay. So this is working fine. Price on NSC. NCS. Okay. I think we can think of using this data, but I think people will require to get their own API then, which I don't know if they will do this. Okay, let's figure this out tomorrow. I will complete my other part. First thing is whether we should get orders here. Second thing is whether we should the second thing is alerts. So TradingView we are not using now. Alerts is the last thing I want to test. Okay, I think I should do alerts at the moment. Otherwise the market will get closed. So alerts is this. Okay, I will bring some water and then we can do this part. Okay. Okay, sorry for the delay. I am still not sure how to do it. For alerts, okay, few things I need to do is, if I do anything else, is fix the portfolio part, fix the portfolio table creation, task pane dot js wherein the formula on top of the table are not visible. This is the first thing we need to do. Basically what is happening is I need to get portfolio. So this thing is not working, so ask the copilot to do this for me. So this mf thing I can remove, by the way. This is not required. Okay, let's wait for this to complete. I think it's fine. Okay, let's do this. Remove the portfolio. This is fine, and let's get portfolio. I think this is still not working. Okay, let me delete this. Let me just reload this entire dev server. Okay, now what I can do is I can reload this. Okay. Okay. So let's do get portfolio. Still not visible. I think I need to do manual checks on this. Okay, for alerts, I need to do few things. Um, okay, first thing is I can remove this thing. I don't need this now. I can remove this, and I can remove the, yeah, so this is fine. So if I just test server, so this should come fine. Okay. Now I need to integrate alerts in this. Let's go to the guide documentation on alerts. Alerts. Create a new alert. Get alerts. Get by specific, put and delete. Operator. This is constant. Name is this. Okay. ATO alerts triggers auto alert. This is kind of the I would say this is kind of I think I will not do alerts at the moment. There's no point of doing alerts. I just better off do the portfolio and then finalize the subscribe, or we can invest some time in integrating this Indian stock API, which would be better, I think. Alerts, I don't think anyone will use alerts from an Excel file, but anyhow we can get the opinion of the people and then let's see. I think for version 1 of this add-in, this is completely fine, I think. So I'll remove alerts for now. Okay, just remove alerts. And let's just do call for okay. Yeah, so I think this is fine. Home subscribe orders and logs. This is much better. I think this sometimes fail to update. I need to fix this. Functions.js. Check why the streaming function just fail to I would say update even when the storage is getting updated. alerts is something I'm not doing at the moment. Then I think instead of alerts, I should focus on integrating this Indian stock API. And I think this is more promising, which gives you a lot more data, which a lot of analysts might use. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Let me just reload. Let me just do something. Let me just do again. So it's be subscribe, Zerodha Reliance, NSC. I think it didn't work. Let me see this. Okay, I will reload this entire Excel again. Let's skip this build part. Yeah, so the value is changing. I don't know why this was not changing before. Let's insert an orders table and let's see if this works. Yeah, this is working fine. Let's save this and see if we still get any on my Mac to store this in. Testing. So let me save this and so this is the file in Finder. Let me do this. Yeah, so this is working fine. Cool. Okay, we have done this and insert process orders. Order updates. Now, what I can do is this insert. I can change this a little bit. Okay, go to one second. This is working fine. Okay. Okay, let's go to home tab. So sheet, now this is what it is showing. Card content details. Then I can do is I can just put a div here. And let me go to the orders. Okay, let's go here and let's say and let me reload the add-in. Yeah. So this is better, I think, because you'll get the order updates directly here. Insert. Let's say status table, and I can remove this orders tab also. Three. Let's go three. Okay, let's reload. Yeah, so we have subscribe, which is this thing. And then we show logs here. I can increase this part. And home. This looks good. Then we can have search, process orders. Yeah, so order updates will come here directly. Status table, this is fine. Okay, I think this is good enough. Yeah. I think the only thing is get portfolio thing. I don't know why this is not showing. This is something I need to do, and I need to change this content current. Okay. Okay. This is, I think this is mostly complete for me. Okay, let's see if this is still working. No, this change stopped working. Maybe it is because when we reload this, let me just try to reload this. Okay, let's try to open this testing. Shows connecting. Yeah, now it works fine. Okay. I think it's when we actually load this, it stops working. let's do Tata. I think Tata Power. So it will connecting. It will do the 366.4. Yeah, so this will keep on going up and down. Okay. Now I need to just let's do Cortex. This is fine. Check why the formulas in function.js for create portfolio are not visible in the let's just try to use Cortex. Let's see. Let's wait for this to complete. So the way Codex takes a lot of time compared to other ChatGPT models. I think my add-in is mostly done. I think I just need to do subscriptions here. The thing I'm doing, I'm thinking of doing subscription is that you can use the entire add-in, and I might also include this India stock API a little bit here, and that is one kind of subscription. And then for using this orders and everything, I might use a different subscription plan, like starter and be like a growth. So growth gives you access to orders, and starter just give you access to this information. Now let's go to what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's go to here. There's no portfolio count targeted site and that's only runs when the upsert for telling result from the downside. If you're calling a custom function. Okay. To portfolio dashboard. exactly. So yeah, so this, yes, this portfolio dashboard is never visible to the user. Most likely the ChatGPT will not be able to do this. So why this is not working? I think I have to do it manually. I will check this, and I need to work on the subscription part, the subscription model. Okay, let's see if this worked. Let's turn what is it? I will check this manually and I will try to make this better also. I might do this offline so that there's less. Because this will require a lot of debugging. I don't want to waste a lot of time streaming debugging. Okay. I will just do this for now, and I will say that improve the subscription model to have two subscription types, starter and growth. Starter gives you access to all add-in except the orders execution, wherein it provides real-time access to formulas, real-time Excel functions, access to portfolio positions and funds, access to fundamental and other data points. Growth has everything in starter, but also the access to order status and its execution from the Excel. And then I don't want to do. Okay, let's see. Okay, subscribe. Okay. Make the model fit the height with scroll in case of overflow. Okay, let's reload. Yeah, so growth and this is fine. Now plug the I think I need to go to the backend functions. Stripe. Plug this Stripe backend with the model to generate the payment link and then navigate to complete the purchase. Okay, this is taking a time. It's checking how we will update the status once the payment is done. So that is why it's checking Stripe events. Stripe events will be the endpoint wherein once the payment is done, it is captured, subscription updated or subscription deleted. These are the events that Stripe sends. It's still doing to implement. I think through AI, it's very easy to um, navigate things. If you would have to manually do it, it takes a lot of time to do it. Since you can definitely do it, but I think it's no point of doing it manually now. Okay, it says it. I have wired it wherein contains this and it tells the URL. No, this assumes points to the same hosting server. Yeah, this is fine. This is simply the model will alert checkout is not configured. Okay, good. So let's just reload. So you can subscribe. Plan is free, starter and growth. Let's go to growth. Yeah, this is. I will change this, but this fine. So it's $20 per pricing. I can change. Once this is done, it will be captured here automatically. Cool. I think we are mostly done, and then we can just put it on Microsoft then, and we can create one table also. Sorry, one website page also for this thing. Cool. Next I don't know what to do next. Next, I will show you Stripe event when this payment is done, and we can complete the website page for this. And then I can show you how to put it on the Microsoft app source. Basically, this part wherein you put here for people to get this. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.